Hey everybody, we're here again from another tutorial from Iconic Design. Today's tutorial is to show you how to use a tilt shift photography effect on a photograph. Anytime somebody's using a tilt shift, usually it has to do with a selective focus on a camera, and it's focusing on an area of a photograph and blurring out slightly the rest of the area, and it kind of gives it the effect where you're looking at a miniature model. And so this is how to do that with Photoshop without having to do all the work with the camera. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the layer. And any kind of a photograph from kind of an aerial perspective usually works the best. And then I'm going to use my polygon lasso tool. I want to select now just the area that I want to be zoomed in on. So I'm going to go about maybe right around here, and then kind of go something kind of this nature. And so then I'll hit delete, Control D to deselect. Next we'll go up to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and depending on the picture you want to use, this is going to change. 5.5 looks pretty good with this picture, so I'm going to click OK. Then we'll go over to the eraser, and usually you want it to be a little bit larger eraser size, and I drop down the opacity to 35%, and then I'm just going to kind of lightly erase around where there's a border that's clearly visible with the blur on there. So if I kind of lessen the effect, make it not quite as drastic, it kind of helps. And then sometimes you want to kind of go around a few objects, go around the trees. Alright, and then when you're finished with that, sometimes you can crop certain areas of the picture out. So we'll try going here, go up to image and crop. And sometimes you may want to go back in and add a little bit more blur to this outside, but I don't think I really need to. So you can kind of see here where that outside area is blurred, the inside area is more detailed, kind of makes it look like it's a little model of a town right there with model trees and cars and that type of thing. So give that a try with all your photographs, or play around with some of the free use photographs from unsplash.com. It's a great site, and see what kinds of things you can come up with this tilt shift photography effect using Photoshop. Thanks for your time.